a lot of people bring me their bike and they have an issue with either the clutch in this case or the brake just not working or being spongy. And this is one of the biggest reasons I see. The banjo bolt is your high point, even with it locked all the way to full side, and this is on the center stand as well. So it should be as far right as possible. And you can see that we need to be at least, I'm gonna be severe here, but we need to be tilted like this for the air to be able to purge out. And currently we are tilted way too far. So what's happening is you're just getting a ton of air stuck in your banjo bolt, effectively just making it to where when you squeeze the lever, you're just compressing air and not actually actuating the system using the fluid. So we're gonna need to tilt the bike over pretty severely until we get over to the right. And this one's on the center stand, like I said. So you can put it on the tires. I like the stability of the center stand if you have one. And then you can see as we go over, it doesn't take much. But as you go over, now the same way the bubble is gonna float to the left on your level, or your right, the same way air is gonna get untrapped from the master cylinder. And that's really all there is to it. Now, after you do that, you still need to bleed the system on the bottom because it has its own highest point, which is gonna be the bleed nipple. And after you do that, you should be all good to go. But this is the simplest thing that people come to me for. And when I tilt their bike over and have their brakes working in 20 seconds, it's always amazing to them. But that's the point of making these videos, is to make sure that you guys don't actually have to waste money or time trying to figure these things out. Let me know if that helped.